Today I'm doing a do-it-yourself repair on my 95-gallon trash can. Let's take a look. So this is the trash can I get from Osceola County, Florida, and the wheel is broken, and I'm going to replace it with a new wheel. Okay, so here's the wheel. I've done a temporary repair with a clamp, like from electrical conduit. The wheel is kind of broken on the shaft where it's really loose and wobbly. I've let it go for a couple years like this, but it's just too annoying now. I decided to fix it. Now, I could have done what most people would do and just call the trash company and say, hey, my wheel is broken on my trash can. Can you come fix it? And sure, yeah, they'll probably come fix it, switch out my trash can for free. But I wanted to do a do-it-yourself and see if I could do it and maybe even improve the wheels a little bit. So let's take a look. I'll start by taking this wheel off, and then watch to the end of the video and I'll show you how I selected my new replacement wheel that I bought from Amazon. Alright, let's take off this goofy clamp that was my temporary repair. When I do the other side, the other wheel, I'll show you how I took the wheel off. Okay, so this, it did have a retaining pin and clip and a spacer. It was broken and missing. I found this wheel in the street one day after it got broken, and then I just put it on there and I put that clamp on. So let's just take that off. Here's my replacement wheel. This one has the spacer built in. When you're replacing it, before you order, measure that shaft. The shaft is 3/4 of an inch. And then this is a 10-inch wheel. The old wheel was made of plastic, and the new one is also plastic, but it's got rubber, so it's going to sound a lot quieter. So let's slide that onto the shaft. You want to measure the spacer because it did come with extra spacer pieces. So this spacer here is good enough, and I'm just going to push it on. It'll click in place. It's got a pin in there. Let's give it a try. So it's snapped on and it's good to go. Let's do the other side. Alright, I propped it up with a 4x4, and now I have this wheel spinning freely. There's really nothing wrong with this wheel, but I want them both to match. So let's take this off. Okay, this is how I got the wheel off. I put the screwdriver, there was like a hole right there, so I put the screwdriver in there, pounded it with a hammer at an angle, and then it revealed a spring. See that? And then I was able to push the spring down and pull the wheel off. So now you have a shaft with a notch in it, and we're going to slide the new one on. Let's go get the new one. Okay, here's the new wheel, and I'm just going to slide it onto the shaft and push it in until it makes a click. Okay, there you have it, all fixed. And these new wheels are quiet because they got rubber on them instead of plastic. The only thing you're going to hear is maybe the lid bouncing. Let's give it a try. Okay, so the most important thing is selecting the correct replacement wheel. So what I did was measure the wheel. I had a 10-inch diameter. You also want to measure the shaft. The metal shaft itself was 3/4 inch. So we want to find a 10-inch wheel with a 3/4 inch axle. The best one I could find was on Amazon. The brand is Martin Wheel. And it says Rolltech SL10-34 snap lock trash can replacement wheel. 10-inch wheel, 3/4 inch bore, fits 3/4 inch axle. Okay, so these were $14.39 each. I needed 2 of them. So my subtotal is $28.78. $13.98 delivery. So my total cost was $42.76. Again, you could just call your trash can company and they will come out and either switch out your trash can or replace your wheels for you. But I decided to do my own trash can wheel replacement. That way I have the satisfaction knowing that I did it myself, I did it right, and actually upgraded to better quality wheels that have a rubber coating and they're quieter when they're rolling on the pavement. Well, that's it for my home repair tip today. If you'd like to see more of these types of repairs, if you're satisfied that you got something out of this video, please like and subscribe. See you real soon. Bye.